So we've got a Grand Design Momentum 25G, and on this 25G and other Momentums, they came with the Thule extendable rear awning that goes over the back deck. And you know, on our camping trips, you notice that the left side of the awning is lower than the right side. And I've read in forums other people asking, well, why is it lower? It just looks broke. And to me, it does look broken. With someone like me with OCD, that's got to be straight in order for me to enjoy the, you know, the looking at it from the outside. It bothers me. I don't know why. And the reason it's like that is for rain runoff. So if it was to rain, you know, the rain would slide off the roof. That's what they say from the dealer. Which is fine, yeah, makes perfect sense, you know, but we're always camping in the desert. I'm not worried about flash rainstorms. That's a chance I'm willing to take to have that level and straightened out. So we're gonna go over real quick how to straighten this thing out. If it bothers you, that's really the only reason I'm doing it, because it bothers me. I think functionally, it's fine, it just looks weird. Let's fix it. So I want to actually raise the left side of the awning, the left side of the trailer awning, and not lower the right side. I want it to come up. So we're going to be working on the left side. And of course, I've got my ladder out. We're going to need that. And then only other two things we're going to need is just a 1/2-inch wrench and a 5mm hex head or an Allen key. And then jump up there and we'll get it fixed. All right, so first thing we got to do is just pull off this little cover here. Just snaps right off. And what you'll notice is there's basically two barrels here. The bottom one's our pivot barrel, this top one is our adjustment barrel. So with the 1/2-inch wrench, what we want to do is just loosen up this top nut on the top bolt. And then using our Allen wrench, we're going to loosen up this bolt right here. Now, I'm going to push up on the awning. You can see I'm actually raising the back of the awning with my arm. And that way we can just screw this right out with no friction on it. I'm going to let my awning down. Now, that side of the awning is going to be really low now. So, here's our adjustment bolt. And you'll notice there's two washers on this adjustment bolt. And these washers act as shims. So the more washers we have, the lower it's going to be. The less washers we have, the further this is going to screw in and push our barrel back and raise that side of the awning. So I'm just removing one screw, raise up on the awning again, and put our screw in. Tighten everything down and we'll go back behind it and see how it looks. So in my opinion, that looks so much better, knowing there's a possibility that rain could pull on top of that awning and rip it off the back of the camper trailer. However, I never leave this awning extended while I'm not around. You know, I don't leave it unattended at all, because it is a fragile awning and you don't want to leave it out in any type of wind, or by God, if you think any rain's coming, you know, if I'm closing that ramp door, that awning is in. I don't really use it that much anyways, but when I do use it, now it's level. That's how it's done. Thanks for watching.